Wanna know how to report a player in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, there are various ways to report a player in PUBG Mobile. You can go from the Friends tab that is on the top left corner. So simply select your Friends tab right here. So if you have to report a random or a beforehand teammate, you can just simply select this clock-like icon right here. These are your recent teammates. So you can just follow these steps next. So simply select any player's profile. Now select their profile picture again to open up their tab. And now on the top left, you can see this hamburger icon. Simply click on it. Now right here you can see report right next to the user ID right here. So just simply select report, and now you can select the reason for report. So maybe spam, religion, harmful advertisement, maybe violation, and etc. Even the avatar and player name. And once that is done, you can also give them more details up to 80 characters and then select report. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.